What if I told you that one simple delicious salad could completely change your confidence in the bedroom without pills, prescriptions, or uncomfortable procedures? What if the real key to stronger, more dependable erections has been hiding in plain sight, right in your grocery store's produce aisle? My name is Dr. Masha, urology and men's health expert. I've dedicated my career to helping men regain their vitality, protect their prostate, and feel powerful at every stage of life. And today, I'm about to share with you my scientifically designed Erection Rocket Salad. This isn't some passing health craze, it's medicine on a plate, built from real clinical research, crafted to target the root causes of erectile dysfunction. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. Here's the truth most men never hear. Erections are all about blood flow. If your blood vessels can't relax, expand, and deliver circulation to erectile tissue, performance will suffer. But here's the hopeful part. You can actually fix this naturally through smart nutrition. The Erection Rocket Salad is bursting with nitrates that trigger nitric oxide production, antioxidants that shield your arteries, flavonoids that make your vessels flexible, and minerals that boost hormone levels. Each ingredient was chosen based on peer-reviewed science, proving its impact on male sexual health. Let's walk through the recipe step by step so you'll see why every bite of this salad is a boost for your body. We start with the foundation, the nitrate powerhouse. Begin with 3 to 4 cups of crisp organic arugula. Arugula, also called rocket, ranks among the highest nitrate foods known. In fact, it packs more nitrates than even beetroot, long considered the gold standard. A Journal of Applied Physiology study revealed that leafy green nitrates raised plasma nitrite by over 200% within just 2 hours. Once converted to nitric oxide, these nitrates open up your blood vessels, creating dramatically better blood flow. Next, toss in 2 cups of baby spinach. Spinach doubles down on nitrates while adding magnesium. A European Journal of Nutrition trial showed spinach consumption increased nitric oxide by 42%. Magnesium is crucial. It relaxes smooth muscles in your blood vessels and slows the calcification that can choke circulation. Now for what I call the antioxidant arsenal. Add 2 cups of fresh chilled watermelon cubes. Watermelon is nature's richest source of L-citrulline, an amino acid that directly fuels nitric oxide production. Clinical research is striking. A urology trial showed men taking L-citrulline saw a 50% improvement in erection hardness. Another Journal of Sexual Medicine study found men with mild erectile dysfunction who supplemented citrulline reported harder erections and greater satisfaction. On top of that, watermelon is loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Research in the International Journal of Impotence Research found that men with higher lycopene levels enjoyed stronger erections and fewer complaints about sexual performance. Next, add 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Their anthocyanins, the pigments giving berries their deep color, are potent flavonoids. In a study of 25,000 men in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, those with the highest flavonoid intake had a 14% lower risk of erectile dysfunction, with anthocyanins proving especially protective. For protein and minerals, sprinkle in fresh grated Parmesan cheese, about half to 1 cup. Parmesan isn't just tasty, it delivers top-quality protein and vitamin B12, vital for nerve health and energy. Protein stabilizes blood sugar and provides raw material for neurotransmitters like dopamine, which fuels sexual desire. Then comes the secret weapon, half a cup of raw pumpkin seeds. These little gems are packed with zinc, a mineral critical for testosterone and prostate health. Studies back it up. Nutrition research and practice showed pumpkin seed oil improved prostate symptoms. Another clinical trial proved daily pumpkin seed consumption boosted testosterone and sperm quality. Zinc deficiency is common in men with both prostate and erectile issues. The Journal of Human Reproductive Sciences confirmed zinc deficiency is tied directly to low testosterone and erectile dysfunction. Pumpkin seeds give you this mineral naturally without the risks of oversupplementing. For the dressing, go with a clean balsamic vinaigrette made with extra virgin olive oil. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, nuts, and antioxidants, has been consistently tied to better erectile and heart health. A landmark study in the International Journal of Impotence Research showed men following a Mediterranean diet cut their erectile dysfunction risk by 40%. Look for dressings with olive oil, vinegar, herbs, maybe a touch of honey, never seed oils or additives. Now, assemble, dry your greens thoroughly. Wet salad kills flavor. Chill your watermelon for that refreshing bite. Grate your parmesan fresh. Pre-grated doesn't compare. Mix everything lightly so each flavor shines. Pair this with lean proteins that further support sexual health. Wild-caught salmon is excellent, rich in omega-3s and vitamin D. A Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism study found men with higher omega-3s had stronger testosterone and better sexual function. Season simply and broil 10 to 12 minutes. Pasture-raised eggs are another win, whether soft-boiled or poached. The Asian Journal of Andrology showed men who ate more eggs had higher testosterone and better erectile scores. Here's why this is so powerful medically. Before making diet changes, test your nitric oxide with salivary strips, check testosterone, vitamin D, and a basic metabolic panel. After 4 to 6 weeks of this salad, retest. Studies show dietary interventions can triple nitric oxide production if the pathway's working properly. If not, gut or oral microbiome issues may need fixing. The beauty is this salad works across multiple pathways. Nitrates provide immediate vascular support. Antioxidants bring long-term cellular protection. Studies show oxidative stress markers can drop 50% in 12 weeks. Minerals boost hormones. Zinc and magnesium can raise testosterone by 20 to 30% in deficient men. This isn't a quick gimmick. It's part of a lifestyle for lifetime vitality. A 10-year Journal of Sexual Medicine study found men who ate diets high in nitrates, antioxidants, and healthy fats had the lowest rates of erectile decline with age. Remember, sexual health is holistic. Diet matters, but so do exercise, sleep, stress, and managing conditions. Men who embrace all of these see the biggest, longest-lasting gains. The most exciting part? Every food that supports your heart also supports your sex life. The Framingham Heart Study proved the same vessels that feed your heart feed your erections. This salad is truly medicine for your entire circulation system. With its blend of nitric oxide boosters, antioxidants, and hormone-optimizing minerals, it's far more than a meal. It's a natural therapy you can enjoy daily. Make the Erection Rocket Salad your regular lunch or dinner. Clinical evidence suggests you'll feel more energy and circulation in a week, with noticeable improvements in erections within 4 to 6 weeks. Want to push nitric oxide higher? Add a watermelon extract supplement rich in L-citrulline. It's a concentrated way to get the benefits of watermelon without overloading your plate. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment with details I recommend to my patients. This is how we take on erectile dysfunction at the root, naturally, safely, and deliciously, with the full support of medical science.